I'm a little behind on making this video. This is mail haul number 2. I'll put a link in the mail haul number 1. If you guys notice in my description box, there's a email me a postcard, and there's going to be my P.O. box. You guys see that? You'll see my P.O. box and address there. So you guys can mail me postcards where you are. So we have a postcard from San Diego, from Victoria, which is also her YouTube name. I'll cover up her address. I don't think her address is, yeah. But anyway, so there's Victoria. It's a postcard of USS Midway, I guess in the dock there in San Diego. It says, greetings from San Diego. Thanks for sharing your video adventures. Feels like we're riding along with you. Stop and say hi if you're ever in the area. Thank you for the invitation, Victoria. If we ever get in the area of San Diego and we can remember, we will look you up. So thank you very much. And our next letter comes from Mr. Jones out of Indianapolis area. He wrote a really nice long letter. I won't read y'all this letter, but I'll tell you the gist of the body. He comes from a family of truck drivers. His uncle has a truck that he bought used from a company, and goes on to discuss about some of those adventures and where he lives in Indiana. And but yeah, he wrote me. He said he would have wrote me a postcard, but he thought the letter was better. So yeah, and nice handwritten letter from Mr. Jones there in Fairland, Indiana. So thank you for that. And then we have a Christmas card. I'm behind on this, yes I know. From Mr. Eric. So Eric, I did get your picture. This is a picture of Eric in the National Park in Utah. Mr. Eric is from Utah, or this is where the picture is from Utah. It says, hi Tim, I enjoyed looking at your videos on YouTube. You want to know if it was like a second income for me. No, unfortunately Mr. Eric is not a second income. It does provide, however, a little bit of revenue. Kind of helps with the camera gear and whatnot, but you don't get rich by making videos by no means. It's more of just a fun hobby at the moment. Hopefully when I get to be several 100,000 subscribers, maybe it will be like a second income. If not a first income like Casey Neistat. So, yeah, he said he looked at being a truck driver, but from one of my videos, he noticed it was a hard life on the road. It is it's a lifestyle, and you have to enjoy that, because it's really rough. So yes, Eric, you are right. And he doesn't like lots of buses or crowd. Anyway, he wanted to know if I could post pictures of my trip to Hawaii. Unfortunately, I never did get around to doing that, Mr. Eric. I guess this channel is just more, the original thought of the channel was for my vacation plans and travels, but it's turned out to be more of a trucking channel. But we might see how the outcome on that is. We might post some pictures. I didn't really take a whole lot of footage of Hawaii. But we would try to squeeze some of those maybe on Facebook or something. So anyway, so thank you very much, Eric, for the picture and the time to write out the postcard. Very nice. And our last one is from Mr. Kildow. So I think he custom made me an ink pen. So yes, I seen your comment on my videos about asking about the pen, and I couldn't find the video comment later on. I was going to go back and respond to you. So yes, I did get the picture. I did get the pen, and it is a very almost exact replica of the color of the stripe on my truck. So yes, you did a good job with that. So thank you. It's a very nice pen. I don't know if you made the whole pen or you did the coloring, but it's a really nice pen. So thank you for the gift. Sorry to acknowledge it sooner. We are behind on making this video, but I just wanted to give me a little thank you, handwritten thank you, and try to pour the blank close to the stripe on the color of the truck. Well, you nailed it, Mr. Pete. killed those, so thank you very much for the pen. We will put it to good use. And that's the mail haul for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, email me a postcard. Here is the address. Email me the postcard there. And you guys have a good day, and we will see you on the next mail haul. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the little bell. See you on the next one.